Imagine if you got poo done.
Oh my god, it missed me. Did it miss me?
You piece of seagull. Oh, it's curdling.
I didn't throw it very far. Wait, this is working.
Oh, you bags.
I'm not kidding you though. Thank that was not our faces. That was so close to our face. That was such good like reaction. You dived out the way. Oh my god, I'm legit just like burst into tears of laughter. Oh my god, every time a seagull flies over now, Mark is like a ninja. He's like a little crab on the beach.
Little crustacean.
A little crustacean.
Oh no, can we go? I don't like it now. Sorry.
What? What? Are you lying? Do you know how I can tell?
Why?
Because you went...
Sorry.
Sorry. Kim walking off the beach with something over his head just in case.